Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Saeed and welcome to my Patreon. Today I have this tennis court with dimensions 10 meters by 20. Okay, 20 meters. I already added the objects, some chairs, ground element with grass texture, and some building, trees, etc. Okay, I added tennis court playground as a texture. I want to change this one. Okay, using concrete, apply material to this, also this one. Okay, also here, more realistic. Okay, now I need to make the lighting pole supports. Also I will add lighting fixture like this, LED floodlight already added from Search, 200 watt, 28,000 lumens. This is how I made this pool. I'll go to construction, object. I want cylindrical. Okay, it's easy. 2D. Okay, we'll go vertical. Now I want to change the dimensions. Okay, the height, meters. Sorry, this is the position. Size 9 meters, or maybe let's make it 12. I want to make the size smaller, 0.115 and 0.115. Okay, now I have a lighting pole, 12 meters. Okay, to make this I need to get cylindrical or rectangular. Let's check the cube. Okay, now 0, let's make it 12, 0.1, 0.1. I think it's good. 1 meter. Okay, I want to make this position exactly here, to move it here. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Let's change the color using material. Okay, outdoor. I need something metallic or look like a metallic. Okay, anyways, need another one. Okay, Control C, V. I can move it like this, or change the height from here, 11.5, half meter. Okay, now I have this, Control C, V. I can copy it here. Now I have two balls. This is easy, but I want to delete this now, for now, and I want to add lighting fixture. Okay, let's go to lights. I have here 200 watts. Also I have this one 1000 watt. I will make it at first 12 meters with 200 watt, then I will change it to something higher and bigger to try it. Okay, now I will add this one. Okay, here height 4 meters, as you see, 4 meter. I don't want to make it like this, changing by my hand. Well, okay, I can make it 12 meters. Maybe higher. Mounting height 12.25. Okay, I made a copy. Control C, V. Normally copy paste. Okay, now if I change this to up, down, right, left, now I have 4. Okay, construction. Let's move it here. Okay, for example, I'll show you another way to move fixtures with now. Okay, let's aim it. Okay, this one. Let's say here. Okay. Okay, I want to make this group. I go here, group. Let's make a copy. Okay, another one, roughly. Or I can make this long line like here. Quantity 3, apply. Okay, How can I change this? Just it's here in one line. Here we can see it as okay. Let's see the okay. I think here we need to make this here also, this one. Okay, here all of this light will light here. Okay, I will make the calculation to check that point. We can make calculation grid. We'll continue inshallah in part 2. Okay, here I started the calculation. We finished the calculation. As you see, the light. I think it's over designed.